Puppies come from, it's easy. New York City. They all stay together. It's in a doggy condo. Puppies come from Little Puppy Land, Planet Land, Treat World. Water World has anything you can imagine but water. Like a lollipop, but water. There's a pogo stick and the American flag. Instead of the stars, they're little doggy treats. Who would not love it? One of the puppies' names is, well, Cuckoo. That's his name, Cuckoo. It's hilarious. And they get to wear rainbow outfits, rocket shoes, lip gloss, makeup, anything you can think of. It's gonna be water. And that's where puppies come from. The truth is, most puppies that are bought online and in stores come from puppy mills. The mother dogs are not treated well. It's dirty, crowded, and cruel. They don't get kisses, they don't get good nights, they don't get nothing. They just sit there lonely and they're scared. Most people don't know they're buying from a puppy mill. It's really bad. I wish it changed. I like my story better. The sun is always shining in the day. Everything is just perfect. It's beautiful there.